Hi, welcome to Krishna's Kitchen Jatpat Khana. Today we will see
Take Swiss roll, corn, walnut ice cream, slice your Swiss roll and then fill the corn with it. Corn with ice cream. And now add this Swiss roll. Add once again 1 scoop of ice cream and press it a little bit very gently. Add once again the Swiss roll. And the scoop of ice cream. Add ice cream once again. Now coat this ice cream in almond powder. See, and you can serve it and serve this ice cream.
try this and have a good taste and see you in our next video. So thank you very much for watching this video.